Celine, I'm at town, just walking around. I want to show you something, Celine. See the birds? This is, they call it, this bird is, see, this bird is like kite, kite bird, layang-layang, Celine. This is the one like at our home there. See this bird, Celine? This bird is, I think it's a kind of dove, D-O-V-E, dove birds. Okay, see, there's a lot there. Nice, isn't it, Celine? Dove birds. It's a kind of dove bird. D-O-V-E. Celine, this owner of this cat giving food to the cat. Wow. See? Ah, nice, you know? There's one, two, three. Three baby cats. Not really baby. But this is the mother cat. Sorry kak, saya ambil gambar. Saya anak tinggal orang makan. Anak dia nih kan?
Ya, anak dia.
Aku punya kucing.
Kedai.
Udah punya kucing lah. Oh, sedapnya orang makan. Yum, yum. Celine, I bought this is a fish. I want to give this cat fish. See, Celine, this cat is, see, I want to give this fish to this cat. I think this cat hungry maybe. Nah, sini kau makan. Here, sorry. Nah, ini loh. Ah, see, Celine. Yummy. Just now I saw this cat, Celine. So I think this cat is like asking me something because this cat is following me. So I bought this fish. Now this cat is eating. Nice. Yummy.